lot of sunscreen. Yeah, so guys, I'm just getting ready. I'm going to church. God, look at my hair. You're looking so bad. But I'll undo it tomorrow. But I like that lady, the way she did my hair. Like, CJ kind of braids even. This is my third week. I think this is the third week. Nimekana hizi braids. Normally, nikishuka braids, zinakaanga 2 weeks zishatokana. And actually, hata hizi, as you can see, ni hapa tu mbele zimetokana because of applying gel. And they were so neat. Like, I'll plug you guys. That lady does a nice job. Like, her work is just neat. Like, ile neat. Sijaipatana na mtu ananishuka braids hivyo. Like, she's so good at what she's doing. Plus, she's so convenient because unaweza muita kwako. She doesn't have a salon. I don't think she has a salon. She do house calls. And if you tell her it's 7:59, she's there. Like, she's so fast. Like, aliza haraka. Yeah, so I'm just not doing a lot of makeup, just kidogo makeup. Yeah, so I think that's it. I love this foundation. Like, it's so light on me. Like, every time I apply foundation, like, it doesn't have to be heavy. Like, una feel ni kama umejipaka something heavy. And I love this Maybelline. They can fit me. They can small one. Acha niwaoneshe. Yangu imeisha. Actually, nime have kukata. You see this one? This fit me. This. I love it so much. Nimekata sai because imeisha. I'll go get one. I also have this one, but nasikianga ikiwa heavy ukijipaka, but this one you feel like it's so light. So I'm done. Let me just put on a powder. That's it, guys. I'm ready. And my edges. For the lips, I'm just using this lip gloss, the Maybelline. The Maybelline fit me. Aki, I don't like, nowadays I don't like nini. I don't like matte lipsticks. I'm not a fan of matte lipsticks. I prefer gloss. Then taongeza this one. What are you doing, Xander? Yeah, it looks so good. Should I wear this? Amazing. I need to buy more earrings, and so I'm not a huge fan of earrings. I think they keep disappearing. Moja inapotea. I think this is okay. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sherry, and if you are a returning subscriber, karibu tena sana. So I'm getting ready to go to church, as we were getting ready with you guys, and I thought of introducing this video here because why not? So yeah, so I'm getting ready and I'm almost done. Nimebakisha tu viatu and it's a bit cold, so naona ni kama kumewaka kidogo. I need to grab a sweater. I don't know if I should wear a sweater. Let me see when you talk. That's the sweater I'm thinking of wearing, but kunaka kutawaka, so I don't know. I might just put on that shoe. Let me. Yes, I might just put on this shoe, this cashmere shoe. I think this will work. Okay, this is okay because naona kutawaka jua. Yes, so let me just put on this shoe and nitatoka na hii. I will leave it in the car. Yes, so that's my feet. And for the shoes, I'm wearing these Zara shoes from TJ. Guys, go check her out. And yes, that's it. So let me put on the cologne. I'll wear this one. It smells so nice. Oof. And I'll pair it with these Bath and Body Works, my favorite. Guys, so I'm back from church and we've had lunch, and now I'm just chilling here. And actually tumetoka church, we've had lunch, and then I've taken Zain for a haircut, and now we are just chilling. I was watching a vlog of Mercy Gitao. I love her so much. Watching her vlog, you can go check her. And I don't know why nowadays I'm into village vlogs. Like I'm finding myself watching a lot of village vlogs, of which napenda sana, of which I find them entertaining. And yeah, so I don't have much to do right now because like now I've just from the kinyozi, I had taken Zaid to a barber shop to get a haircut because his hair was looking so shaggy. And then now I'm just chilling here. I'm giving myself like maximum of 30 minutes, I'm 40, and then I go start cooking because today is on a Sunday and I want to finish cooking early so that at least tupumzike. And also I need to make a carrot cake. I missed carrot cake, and yeah, I'm probably gonna break one today. And yes, so I'm just gonna wash off my makeup, take a shower, and then now I can start cooking. And yeah, so guys, let's catch up later when I'm cooking. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed up to this far, well, yeah, please guys, please subscribe and join this family. Like, that's all I'm asking, to subscribe to my channel, guys. Support me to grow this channel together. And I really appreciate those who have subscribed. And yeah, so let me go wash off this makeup, then take a shower, and then we start cooking. So I'm feeling lazy to go cook. I've showered and nimeingia kwa bed, nimekaa hapa, and I'm like, I was cooking. But anyway, let's go cook. Zanda, you wanna say hi? Come say hi to people. Bend here. Tell them hi, people.
Hi, people.
You say it properly.
Hi, people.
Hi, how are you? Huh? Wanda, say hi to people. He's busy watching cartoon, Masha and the bear. Yeah, so good. Let me cook. It's okay, let me go cook now. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this this mix for today because I don't have time to mix all that stuff, and it's already prepped for you. So all you need to do is just check on at the back. They have told you what you're supposed to use. Yeah, and then you mix your stuff, then you put them into oven. It's simple and easy. Like, it's not complicated. You can do it. Oh my god, you're gonna eat them with shells? Oh my god. Let me give you a towel, kitchen towel.
Zana is still struggling to crack an egg.
So I don't know if you can hear, but my cooker is making a funny weird sound. I'm just hoping it will not interrupt you guys. Yes, so these are pineapples, crushed pineapples, and these some crushed peanuts. I have my sultanas raisins. I don't know what's the difference. And 3 eggs here, and some carrots. Also need some cooking oil. I told you guys you can check here on what you need. Let me get my measuring cup. Me sometimes that I'm sometimes I just use my eyes. I don't know if it's a good thing with the cake, but sometimes in a bit. We put let's mix our wet ingredient first. It also has sugar, so all you need is margarine. I prefer cooking oil. Also need some. Actually, he need 149 grams. I don't know if I should add more, but we'll work with what we have. Unapima na macho sometimes, msijipe stress. Yeah, 3 eggs. Also 110 ml of cooking oil. Actually, cocoa, because you see it has measured for you. Don't mind my cutting, so nitaongeza hadi hapa ifike 100 sugar. It's already added. So let's mix our eggs. Oil. Let's mix those ones first. Let's add our flour. It smells so good, like you can smell the cinnamon and the cinnamon. You can smell the nutmeg. Oh my goodness, it's full of goodness. I don't like beating it again. Now I like folding it. Then let me get milk. I forgot my milk. Let's add all of it. That's the cake mix from Caroline and Cake. I'm supposed to be using. Yes. You fold it properly, like nicely. I feel like imekuwa watery sana na tujeka carrots. Oh my god. I now feel like there's too much carrots. But you can never have too much carrot in a carrot cake, can you? Can you? Not really. The peanuts, the peanut butter peanuts, and wow. You see, it's not complicated like when you're starting from the scratch. It's all easy, like ni rahisi sana. Like everything is made for you. All you need is to mix them. I don't know if it's too, I feel like imekuwa wet light sana. Oh my god, but it's okay. No, you can. Oh, and it tastes so good. Oh my god, too much sugar. Oof. So let's add our raisins, because why not? Na ningezi add kaunga kidogo, but I forgot. You see how easy it is? Like easy peasy, easy peasy. I don't know if I should bake it in. Pazinaitanga? My baking paper zimeisha. What are our papers? Yeah, zimeisha. So I'm just using a blue band margarine to make sure it doesn't stick on your cake. I want to bake too because one, I need to take it to my niece, Gigi. So I need two of them. Last time I put a lot and ilijaa hapa. It was not even coming out. One is ready, let me put the other one. And the kids are not having it, so let me get a nice portion for everyone. So I think I need like 3 portions. I don't know if Zayn will have it. Sometimes Zayn and Nyama, they're not friends. He doesn't like meat. So the other one, let me make some strips. I can make with it some stir fried with zinaitangwa strips. I need to make the strips for stir fried rice. You can have it with some veggies. That knife need to be sharpened, okay. I'll do it once I'm done here. Don't mind what I'm using. I'll marinate it with some teriyaki, and don't mind where I'm marinating them. So let me pack them. Maybe I'll make some dinner sometimes. So I'll add more. Then you can make some stir fried rice with them. Why are you back?
I'm so tired.
Oh my gosh.
I even feeling to put my head in the freezer.
To put your head in the freezer?
Yes.
Because you're tired of doing what? Where is Auntie? You're back. You're sweating. Why are you guys back? Ungekaa na huko. Yeah, so for the steak I'm just going to use Lee and Perry. Not too much, kidogo tu. I want something complicated. And the HP sauce. Sesame oil. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. It's because it's still early. And I'm gonna use the rosemary. Oh, the aroma in this rosemary, they're so fresh. Butter ikiwa peke yake. Let me add a little oil because itaungua. It's going to burn. Because it's come to clean, let me put them all in because it has already fade away. We don't like well done meat. We like medium rare, especially the salad. You want it to cook it for long. Let me add, I forgot to add the so I'm gonna put them in the oven. They cook couple of the oven. It tastes so good. Put it in the oven. It's so good. So from the same pan that you are using for the steak, I'm gonna put some butter. Let me add more butter. Just putting on. Okay. Sawa sana. Usitoe yote.
Especially if you do not remove them and you have some spaces which are on this side and those parts. Yeah, they say they're ready for it, so I imagine they are. And what we'll do is we'll get over there.